Finally, this is my zigzag board. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I will show you how to make an instructional material. This instructional materials is a non-digital and digital skills and tools in delivering technology. Instructional materials are the supplementary materials which help the teachers to make his/her presentation concrete. We have different kinds of instructional materials which are the diorama, nature table, writing board, flip chart, wall display, the rope and pole display board, and the zigzag board. But in this video, I will show you how to make the zigzag board. So I just choose one of those instructional materials. It is a multi-board series of 3 to 4 rectangular boards which are joined together along the sides by hinges so that it can easily folded up and carried. So I choose the zigzag board because easy to make than the others and will not cost a lot. I'm excited to make and show it to you guys, so let's get it started. The first thing that we need to do is to prepare our materials. So I have 2 white cartolina, colored bond paper. This one is assorted. So I bought this one. It's like a board special paper. As you can see, it has design. So if I am going to design later my zigzag board, it will be attractive. Wooden clip set. Actually, I don't have a plan to buy this one, but it is on sale, buy one take one. So I bought also this. A metallic threads. I have also ruler here, a double-sided tape, glue, cutter, and of course I have box here. This is the one that I am going to use for my board. This is a recycled. In making instructional materials, you don't have to spend so much money. You can use the recycled materials if you have in your home. So I just bought these things because I am not at home right now. I'm here at work, and it's just happened that I have to submit my demonstration of making instructional materials for my final exam in one of my subjects. So that's why I bought these things. So if you have recycled materials, if it's available at your home, then don't hesitate to use it. So let's get it started. Sorry guys, I forgot this one. We need a scissor because this is very important, you know. So first guys, I'm going to cut this one. So the zigzag board that are you going to make, it depends on the size of your choice, okay? So if you prefer the big one, then you can cut a big size, but maybe I'm going to just a little, I think this. Get the measurement of this board so that I can cut the same size of the cartolina with this board. So guys, I'm done cutting my board and I decided to make a medium size. Here it is. Then the next step, to cover this. I'm going to cover my board with this cartolina. So I have to use my scissor and pencil and a ruler. So So here's the cartolina. I decided to cut it into 3. Then I will cut this first. Here it is now. The next plan is to place it here like this one. So I will use the adhesive tape. I already put the adhesive tape and also at the back of the board. Then the next step is to put this one. I'm going to paste it on the edge. Then after that, I will put this here. Covering the inner part of the board, and the next is the outside. Hi guys, so it is almost done. Here's the inner part. I cover also the edges of this board, so it will become presentable. Then the outside part. Amazing. The next thing I have to do is to make my lesson. I will put some pictures that related to my lesson. So now guys, I'm working for the design of my zigzag board. Let me finish this. I'm done with the content, and now I will work for this one. This is the final. Then we're done. So I'm not good in lettering. I just made this one. I'm so happy that I'm done. Finally, this is my zigzag board. Then, the first page, you will see here the short vowel sounds. So, I put some pictures. Next page, for the second page, here's the long vowel sounds. You will see the long vowel sounds. So, I put some words, example words, then design. On the third page, we have here this slide, flash card, slide, see, and say. So I have here some example words. The first card is, you will see the word bag, which is the example for short A, and bake for example of long A. For the second card, I wrote down the word lead, example of long E, and slime for long I. For the third card, I wrote comb, example of long O, short O for book. is it. I hope you learned something on this tutorial video, guys, especially to the future teachers that are planning to make an instructional materials for their presentation. For any suggestion and question, please comment down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates video. And this is Jenny Umura. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!